Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Here are the ingredients for a classic pandesal. Combine 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 whole egg, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and mix them well. Add 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. Sprinkle with some flour. And knead the dough for about 7 minutes. Turn the dough into a bowl and transfer it into an oiled bowl. Leave it rest for an hour to double its size. Uncover the dough and remove its gas. Slice into desired sizes. Form into a small ball. And dredge into breadcrumbs. Bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And it's done! That's it guys, till next time. Bye! Keep safe!